What's going on, people? It's Paul here again. I also have another video with the Kenwood Excelon DDX9902S, and this time we're going to be playing with Android Auto. I've already paired my phone to the radio, and just to double check that, we go to telephone, hit the little, in fact you can already see it up at the top, but just to see, because you have to turn on a feature, go to paired device list, go to enter. You click on your phone, hit connection, and right here where it says app setup, probably nothing. If you've never put anything in it, it'll just be blank with the little minus sign right there. You hit change, click on Android, hit next. Since my phone apparently isn't HDMI or MHD compatible, which it may be, I'm not quite sure on that, but I'm going to hit Bluetooth. I'm going to hit next, and make sure all things correct right there, and hit done. So now it says Android to other Bluetooth, and if you need to change it, just go back and change it, redo it, and it'll update your phone. So if you have like an iPhone or something, you can go in there and change it that way as well. So I just clicked the weather on my phone by accident. So that's pretty much for that part of it. Now what you have to do is go to the Google Play Store and type in Android, did I spell it right? Yeah. Auto, and you'll get a app with the little, what looks like a little blue tint on there. Go ahead, I've already installed it and everything. So go ahead, and if you open it, it'll just show you like the basic, I guess, basic setting screen. So anyway, what you do is once the Bluetooth is connected, you take your USB, which is already connected to the USB behind the radio, and plug this into your phone. So I want to plug it in, and alright, and then what you do is it'll say stop. Android Auto setup will resume when the car is parked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend the car is in park. Okay, I'm going to re-disconnect the USB. And here we go. We're going to plug the USB back in. Alright, it says Android Auto will turn on the Bluetooth pair and sync your contacts with your car, and allow your car to access display notifications from your phone. And I hit accept. And it says prior to Android operations on the radio, you must agree to terms, and it shows up in your phone. So we'll click OK. And now it says apps for Android. I thought I was on the screen there. Sorry about that. You'll be now asked to give Google Apps permission to work with Android Auto. So I'm going to click accept. And I'm going to click OK on the radio. Now it says Google Play. And here's probably something, it's like probably like a paid subscription or paid app or something like this, because it says try unlimited, and play offline, and bring your music along. But I'm going to just click no thanks. Here's all the agreements. You can read those if you want. I agree. Please set default to Android Auto. Your phone has multiple apps to handle car mode. On the next screen, please choose Android Auto and press always. So hit next. So now I've got a warning screen on the radio. I'm going to click accept, and I'm going to click over here, Android Auto always, and then click enter on the screen. It's probably not that order. That's just the way I did it. Clear default app settings by going to Task Manager and clear, but okay, it's just let me know if I need to go back to do something. Now saying Android Auto on the phone, and over here we got drive safely, and I will accept because I am sitting still, so I have no problems of driving into something. Alright, for the road ahead, use steering wheel buttons and voice actions with the Android Auto. So now I can pretty much set the phone down. If the screen changes, I'll bring it back up. So now my phone's plugged in, being charged. I'm going to click Show Me How. How to talk to Google. While driving, press and hold the steering wheel's mic button, if you have it. When you hear a beep, start talking. How to talk to Google. select the mic icon at the top right, and when you hear a beep, start talking. I don't know, that's just showing me there. Get what you want quickly. Switch activities using the buttons along the bottom, or select the circle in the middle for your latest updates. And lots of audio options. Select to open, then select again to switch apps. I guess it's just showing you there might be something there. Let's go. Okay, we got different stuff here. It looks like we got the maps, which comes off my phone, and looks like a weather. The last phone call I made, which is on the last video, which is some random number I just dialed in, so I have no idea where that goes to, if it even goes to anybody. So let's say you wanted to go in the center here, that 0, and nothing's happening. Let's go to maps. Loading route. Let's see. It's not like a bunch of. I see a bunch of. Here we go. A bunch of roads. I think you could. I think you pinch and zoom. I think. Not just moving stuff around. Apparently. To move stuff around, this is actually reading the maps off my phone. Lost it. Yeah, Android Auto, resume. Okay, so it's showing different areas. I'm going to click these 3 little lines right here. Suggestions, categories, traffic. Click on suggestions. I guess places to go, I guess. Let's say Lake Rodemacher. And it's showing me over there. Apparently it's going to take me 40 minutes to get there. Let's see here. We got headphones. Now we can go to Google Play Music, and I also have iHeartRadio installed. So let's just try iHeartRadio. See what it does. To select music, open the menu at the top left. Dink. For you, favorites, live radio, create station, podcast. That's as far as it goes. I guess for me, see what that says here. Here we go. Let's see if I can find my. Is there like a search? Create an account. I'm not logged in or anything right now. Live radio. You pretty much just select anything. I'm gonna go back to oops. For you or me or whatever. And 96.9. It might take us a second for the. I do have a speaker hooked up, so I'm gonna see if it plays. Well, also on my phone, I just looked at my phone. It also has that too, briefly. And apparently, because my freaking phone's media audio doesn't want to work with me right now, it would normally be playing music. So I either have a defective phone, or I'm not that smart. Anyway, that's playing that. Pause play. We'll go back out of here somewhere. Google Play Music. Now I'm seeing Paul's phone. Let's see here. Trying to turn the volume up, but I don't think it's working very well. Let's see. Over here, return to Kenwood top menu, which is basically the front screen. But if you notice, the apps button, they used to have 4 different colored little icons, is now turned into the Android Auto icon right here in the center. So if you click that, it takes you right back to your original screen. You got your navigation down here. You got phone calls. Here you can call your peoples. If you click here, you got voicemail, dial a number, call history, and missed. So you can check your voicemails as well. Here in the center, this takes you back to the main menu, which has all your different things on here: navigation, weather, music, and over here at the very end is takes you back to the top screen. So that's how you get out of it. Go back to here. If you want to go back into it, just click here. Now, had my phone's media audio been working, turned on somehow, for some reason it only seems to work when it wants to. Anyway, that's pretty much all the features. Oh, I forgot about the not all the features. Here's this right here. This is the microphone I was telling you about. Play music. Try it again. Play the other mistake. I guess I should have said something more than just play music. What, a banana? I guess it's just gonna play some random song, I guess. Well, it's definitely playing a random song, and apparently the volume's turned up pretty good ways. I'd definitely be hearing something. The song's coming out on my phone, but for some reason it's not doing it. Let's say if you want to text Ken. Let's see if we do anything. No, guess not. Text Ken the man. Oh, I wish my phone media was working. Yeah, I got to see a media audio says connecting. It'll sit it for like 15 seconds and it'll go back and not be checked. So if y'all know how to fix that, because it doesn't do it all the time, but for some reason now that I want to tell you all about it, it's not wanting to connect to media audio. You know, the radio's raring and waiting. Anyway, that's all the features I can see of. I don't have an iPhone 4 or 5. I wish I did. If y'all have an extra iPhone laying around, 4 or 5S, whatever, and you want to donate it, and I'll if y'all donate some, I'll have a link to y'all's YouTube page and probably make a comment to you for a shout out, and I appreciate it. That way I can show y'all more videos going both ways, both Android and both iPhone. But anyway, if you have any questions down below, hit the like button, question in the comment section. Anyway, this is the Android Auto with the Kenwood Excelon DDX9902S. This is Paul. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a superb day. Please subscribe.